All right, welcome back. So in this activity, we're looking at, it's called Scared Mouse. It's the last practice activity for lesson 20 for collision detection for code.org. And as it says right here, it says right now the mouse sprite runs across the screen right in front of the cat. Use an is touching conditional to cause several things to happen. The mouse turns around and runs the other way. And as we can see, the mouse goes across here, touches it, and then runs the other way. The cat looks down at the mouse. So if we notice when it touches it, the cat looks down. And then the cat meows. Okay, so we kind of have three things. Well, the first thing we got to do here, let's look down at our code. There is no if in here, so we need to have an if for this is touching. So let's go ahead and add that first below these comments here. And then let's go ahead and add our is touching. So we want to have that if the cat is touching the mouse. Okay, it could be the other way around, but we're going to set it up that way. If the cat is touching the mouse. And again, it's always really important to check to make sure we spell these correctly. Pretty sure I got cat spelled correctly and mouse spelled correctly. All right, so we have three things that we need to have happen if we look at this. We have the cat's animation is going to change because it goes from looking this way to looking down. Then we have the mouse's animation because we have the mouse animation that's moving to the right and we're going to have it switch and move to the left. And then we have to change the mouse, its velocity, so that it actually moves across the screen. Okay, so let's tackle the first one here is we want to set the animation for our cat. And since the original animation is cat and it's just cat is the animation, then we're going to set the animation. Let's see what else we got here. We have cat meow. Okay, so if we run this right now, looks across, mouse is moving, and the cat looks down now. Okay, so we have that fixed. All right, so then we have to check the other one. Well, let's actually get rid of this for a second so we can see exactly what's happening in the beginning. So the mouse moves across, doesn't, touches the cat, nothing happens. So let's go ahead and change that animation again. Just wanted to make sure I did that correctly. And cat meow. Now we're going to do another animation, but this one's going to be for the mouse. And this one, it looks like the mouse was moving to the right. So what we want to do is have the mouse move to the left or face to the left. And then we're going to change its velocity. Specifically, its velocity x, because again, x we change going side to side. So we're going to have the mouse, and we're going to make it so if we look at the velocity up here, it's 4, but it looks like it's moving pretty slow, and then it goes faster this way. So let's go ahead and make it more than what 4 is. So let's make it -10. So negative is going to subtract from the x location, and it's going to make it go to the left. All right, let's see what happens. There we go. So that looks good to me. All right, hopefully that helps you. Good luck with your coding.